Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Wanted to do another little update with you guys and let you know, show you what I eat every single night for dinner. That way, you know, if you're trying to lose weight, maybe some of the things that I eat, you might be able to make at home and eat also. So I hope everybody's doing good. Now I eat this every single day for a month since I've been here. Okay. Let me sit this bed up into a sitting position here. Okay, this here is a chicken salad that's made here at the hospital. And then I've got my side salad. Those are from lunch. They never cleaned off the table yet from lunch. They're short on staff here at the hospital, and I take my regular salad, as you can see, and I dump it into here, and I mix it all up. Man, they need to really clean this table off. But I've got a non-sweet tea. There's a little milk, if I choose to drink it or not. But with this milk, I'll show you here. We've got 100 calories. Your protein's only 8 grams, which is really shocking because your carbohydrates is what, 12? And then I get a little pack of graham crackers, and I'll save these for later tonight for when I get hungry, along with I got fresh pineapple, and that I save also for when I get hungry, usually around 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock. I just want something that holds me through the rest of the night. I'm not sure how many calories is in this salad, you know. Well, I'll mix this all together and eat it, and I probably won't even eat all of it. I'll try to get all the lettuce and the tomatoes out of it, and there's usually about a quarter of it left after I get done, you know, because I stop eating when I'm full. But I do take my time on eating now and everything else, and it helps. So, but I gotta keep losing this weight. I've got a big goal with lots of weight to lose. You figure I'm, I don't even know how much more I've got to lose. It's at least 250 pounds more. No, it's more than that. But whatever, I'll have to add it up, figure it up. And I'll end up doing that on when I get weight on the bed again. But thank you for watching, guys, and I hope you enjoyed looking at seeing what I actually do eat every day, every night since I've been here. It's always chicken. But please hit that like button and subscribe. I really appreciate it. And leave a comment. I like to hear from you guys, and I do reply to them. I hope y'all have a wonderful, blessed day. I love y'all. Bye for now.